Hey guys, earn money online from home without investment. That's what you ask. This video is exactly for you, as here are 10 top ways to do it. Watch it all to know how to get cash by flipping websites. So number 1, make money with online service. Here you can make money by completing small surveys, which takes 5 minutes to 20 minutes, depending on the requirement of a particular company. You need to write your feedback and opinion in a survey. You just have to select your choice from the questions, and there is no need to write anything. You can make from $1 to $20 depending on the length of the survey, your profile, and the country you are living in. Number 2, earn money with blogging. A few years back, blogging was just another hobby that some people did in addition to working full-time jobs. Today, blogging still functions in that way, but a lot has changed. In 2019, blogging has become a profitable online profession. In today's time, you can easily start a profitable blog in less than 10 minutes. Number 3, become a captcha solver. If you have more free time, then you can add further income in your pocket by working as a captcha solver. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. As a captcha solver, you need to read the captcha images and type the exact characters. You need to be very fast in order to earn better income. You can get paid up to $2 for every 1,000 captchas you solve. Number 4, become a freelancer. Freelancing is another popular way to make money after blogging and affiliate marketing. As a freelancer, you can work with small or big companies on a temporary basis and provide them with services. Freelancers can make from $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on the type of freelance jobs you will do for your clients. You can work as a content writer, web designer, graphic designer, or provide services like SEO, data entry, video testimonials, digital marketing, and others. There are dozens of popular websites like Upwork, Freelancer.in, Work and Hire, and many more freelance sites that can give you the ready platform with ready clients. Number 5, virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is like a personal assistant who can earn money by working online for someone without being physically present. He can do a variety of tasks like taking care of websites, counseling, writing and proofreading, publishing content, marketing, coding, website and app development, and many more. There are dozens of companies like Hire My Mom, My Tasker, Zirtual, You Assist Me, 123 Employee, where you can sign up for virtual assistant work. Number 6, writing job. Writing is another better way to earn money on internet through writing different types of content. You can write for blogs, companies, institutions, individual people, and others. Different types of writers get paid differently. Normally, people get paid from $5 to $20 for writing 500 words. You can go to the sites like Upwork, iWriter, WriterBay, Freelance Writing, Text Broker, ExpressWriters.com, FreelanceWritingGigs.com to find the content writing jobs. Number 7, domain trader. Domain trading is another high profit business you can do online. But here you need some investment for buying the domain. You must be an expert, or you should get detailed knowledge before you start this business. You can buy domains from GoDaddy or other domain registered for less than $10 and sell in future to the needy person for hundreds of dollars. Your skill here is to identify great domains that are not booked yet, and companies in future can try to buy the domain. When companies don't find the domain of their choice, they contact the domain owner for the deal, and it's in your control to fix the price. You can even put your domains on auction so that people can buy directly at your desired price. Number 8, website flipping. Like domain trading, website flipping is also a hot business to earn money online. Here you don't deal with domains but websites. You have to create a website, work on it for 3-6 months or more so that you can start making money from the websites. After earning for 2 or 3 months, you can put that site on auction on Flippa, Empire Flippers, and others. You can easily get 15-20 times price of your monthly earning from that website. It's much easier to grow an old site than creating a new site and to grow this new site. Many experienced people buy websites from Flippa, work for 3-4 months on these sites, and make double or triple income. Number 9, stock and forex trading. Stock trading and forex trading is a very lucrative way to make money for those who has good idea of the market. There are a number of free or paid courses available on internet that can train you for online trading. You can even read newspapers like Economic Times or watch TV channels like CNBC to become more expert in the field. It's risky to enter into the market without sufficient knowledge. Number 10. Earn money from your smartphone. There are various smartphone apps that can pay you some extra income by completing some simple tasks on your smartphone. There are at least 20 money-making apps that, if you install in your smartphone, can give an extra income of $200, $300. You have to take simple surveys, complete offers by sign up on other websites, play games, watch videos, and others. You don't need to take any extra time to earn from these, and you can make money on the go. Thank you for watching this video, and we are preparing a lot of more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.